friends, and welcome. Think you need a degree or tons of tech skills to start digital marketing? Well, think again. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact knowledge that you actually need to start earning online, even if you've never done this before, or even if you're a busy mom trying to balance work, family life, school drop-offs, cooking, cleaning, and building a business. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I'm going to introduce you to busy moms just like you who are actually earning a passive income working around the schedule. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi, and I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having to create any products or having any technical skills, just so that they can finally fire their boss and get to spend more quality time with their family. Now, some of the myths out there is that you need to have a marketing degree, coding skills, or be super techie. I'm studying for my degree in business because I want to learn the knowledge. I want the knowledge to build a successful business, offline, online, whatever it may be. But you don't need that in order for you to start making online. And you don't need to have any coding skills or be super techie, because you can plug into a done-for-you automated marketing system that does the selling and the telling for you. Okay. What you really do need is the willingness to learn and take imperfect action and stay consistent, right? So if you want to plug into a done-for-you system, you have to follow simple step-by-step instructions. And once you're plugged into that system is there for you, working for you 24/7. You never have to touch it again. And this is some moms think that it needs to be perfect. They're waiting. They're stuck in learning, and waiting for the perfect circumstances. The truth is, it will never be perfect, and you'll never take perfect action. The way you get better is by taking action, applying what you learn. Every video I create, I hope I get better, but I do learn from it, right? So no good in learning how to create content we don't actually go out there and create it. And the key as well is we all start with energy and vigor, right? Like, yes, let's go. And then life gets in the way, and then we don't stay consistent. And that inconsistency is what brings a lot of people down. Okay. Now, the good news for you as a busy mom, you have so many transferable skills. Right now, you're multitasking all these things, trying to keep the family together. You're communicating with so many people, and you have that natural empathy. And one thing that you do on a daily basis is solve problems, recommend products and services to friends and family. So it's all about learning how to transfer these skills into building a successful online business. Now, let me share with you 6 key areas of knowledge that you actually need, right? And how this can be helpful for you. Now, when you're starting a digital business, understand that what you have is not for everybody. So you don't try to sell to everybody. Make sure that you know who your target audience is, right? Understand who your target audience is. Who would you be your perfect customer ideally? Because then you can craft a message that resonates, that connects with that target audience. So who do you want to help? What pain points do they have? And as a mom, we're naturally intuitive to this, right? So I'm part of this program where I learned that my perfect customer, the person I want to help, who I can relate to and communicate, is an earlier version of me, a busy mom like me, trying to juggle life, right? And all you need to understand, what are the pain points? What are the things that are keeping them up at night, right? Are they worried about being able to pay the bills, being able to buy the next pair of shoes for the family? Do they have to make a choice between going on vacation to actually maybe paying the rent, right? So understand what's keeping them up at night, what's having them in the shower crying because they don't have, the life is not where they thought it would be, right? You need to get into their heads. And the best way to do that is to go back to you when you had those struggles, right? Now, once you know who your target audience is, The second key area you need to focus on is creating content that connects with your target audience, right? And you can do different things. You can create videos like me right now. It's the fastest way to build a relationship with your audience, get them to know, like, and trust you. But you can write articles, you can do images, infographics, you can do faceless content, but create content that actually stops the scroll of that perfect customer and that they can relate, they can feel like, yes, she's talking to me. So the good news for you is that you don't need to be a writer or an influencer. You just need to be yourself. Because so many times we're going through all these things in life and we think, oh, it's just happening to me, right? Why me? Boo hoo. But the truth is, we have similar experiences. Whatever you're going through as a mom, somebody else is going through that. Whatever your target audience is, that's why it should be somebody that you can relate to because you've been where they are, right? So once you know your audience, once you start to create that content, you need to show up where your target audience is and realize that your target audience is online and they're out there looking for a solution to the problem. So you should be able to meet them on those platforms. So you can pick TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever they are, wherever they're hanging out, be there and be ready to provide a solution to the problem. You don't need to be everywhere though. You can start with one platform and master that one. And then once you're happy, you can move on to another platform, right? Where are you as a mom? Where are you hanging out? Where are you? So that's where you should be because you're already familiar with that. But what you need to do is to flip your mind from being a consumer of content to a creator, right? A creator of content, turn your social media profile into storefronts. Now, the psychology, the sales psychology is about guiding somebody, right? Taking somebody on a journey from where they are to where they need to be. It's not about selling, buy this, buy that. It's about serving them, understanding the pain points, and providing a solution to those pain points. Now, you don't need to use complicated tech, spend thousands and thousands on systems. There's actually platforms out there that you can use. There's done for you systems that you can plug into. There's drag and drop platforms that you can use to actually build your business, right? So you don't have to worry about being tech savvy, and you can learn, and you can actually get access to this, community where you learn all these things I'm sharing with you. Now, the last step, which is crucial, right? Because most moms are trying to do everything by themselves. They're trying to figure it out only to end up overwhelmed, frustrated, and confused. Now, what you need to do is take that away, right? Because success leaves clues. You don't have to figure things out by yourself. You don't have to start from scratch. What you can do is plug into a proven step-by-step blueprint and just follow what's the people who have achieved the results that you want to achieve, follow what they're doing. So what I want to do now is I want to share my screen because last year I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's teaching me all these things that I've shared with you, right? All these skills I'm learning from there. So I want to share with you the bonus site. This is our bonus site. We have over 55,000 members. 138 are online just before 10 p.m. And this is a map of where we are. We spread out around the world. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Australia, New Zealand. We're everywhere. If I had a question, I could type in here and somebody would answer. You can see here we have a mentoring call happening in 8 hours. I can click here, click this Zoom link to actually access that mentoring call. And this is actually what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, every single week we have live interactive coaching and mentorship from six-figure mentors. So this is the one that's coming up. Cecilia is a South African millionaire who got her first million using this program, and she teaches us exactly what she did. I've just been going through Ashley, this training by Ashley, who's another six-figure mentor. Ashley was a nurse. She was able to quit her nursing job. And after earning six figures with using this blueprint, her husband actually lost his job as he just went into work and he got fired. But by the time he was fired, Ashley was already earning six figures with this program, and she's able to teach him how to what she's doing, right? The classroom is where we have additional tools and resources to help us build our business. The 30-day momentum is just started. We're on day 3, where our multi-millionaire mentor is going to take us through 30 days to help us build our brand, grow our following on social media. So you're in the right place at the right time. We're just finishing this 90-day sprint where the multi-millionaire takes us by the hand for 90 days, and she walks us through, giving us action steps to help us build our business. So as we're finishing the 90-day run, the 30-day momentum is starting. So these are all we even have a content vault where you can upload that content onto your social media platforms. But let me finish up here by sharing our wins. So Bridget, 6 days ago, woke up to a $900 sale. Last year, I lost my house, my furniture, my car, lost myself in between, and my kids were taken away from me because of poverty. Imagine that, right? Absolutely. Congratulations to Bridget. Mindy, 5 hours ago, $773 passively, while my hubs and I were hanging out at the neighbors tonight. Sales came in, right? 773. And I think here she shares the screenshot here of those earnings. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. 3 payments that day. She got 3 payments. They added up to 773. And let me see, Christy, 14 hours ago, $900 sale put me at $50,100 in under 1 year. So Christy has earned over $50,000 in under a year. Congratulations. Christina here, 1,800 in 3 days, being mom first, right? So here she's sharing a screenshot, and she goes, yeah, congratulations, $900 came in, and her son is out there smiling, cheering her on in the background, right? Absolutely amazing, and so on and so forth. So these are the different types of wins that we have in a community. Now, what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business so that they can finally fire their boss and get to spend more quality time with the family. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, go ahead and comment blueprint so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. This will be sent to your email. Check your spam, check your promotional folder, and then respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best.